How to start using DeepL for beginners. Hi everybody, welcome back to our channel. I am back with a new video, and in this video I'll be showing you the ways to start using DeepL for beginners. To do it, so first thing first, make sure that the device is connected to an internet service. Then to begin with, open up a browser and on the west bar type www.deepl.com/translate. When you type in that, you'll be taken to their official website, something like this. Now, first of all, for some basic information, you could go ahead and use the translator version as well. But if you want to go ahead and get more information and knowledge about it, then you could create your account. So click on Start Free Trial. When you do it, so go ahead and select the plan that is convenient and click on Try for Free. Once you've done it, so here you'll be provided with the plan. So click on Try for Free one more time. Next thing, what you want to do is type in your email address that you want to register with. Now create a password and mark on the terms and condition and click on create account. Once you do so, it's gonna take a while, so just wait for the security check access. So now you'll be able to see your plan, so number of user, and then go ahead and select all that. Now enter in your information such as your first name, last name, your address line, payment method, and all of these, and you'll be able to get a subscription plan. Likewise, for 7 days or for 1 month, you do not have to pay the subscription plan. You do not have to get the subscription plan. Well, after 1 month, you'll have to start paying, and it's gonna be automatically deducted. Now, likewise, to use DeepL, what you could do is you could go ahead and use it for translation. So you can get translation on the Google itself as well, but then DeepL, it actually has some other basic features, which actually has other features that's not available on Google. So then now you could go ahead and start using it. That's all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.